I want to show you, I have a few of these, and I just got another one. This is Ortho's Mosquito Kill and Prevent. These kits are awesome. Basically what this is a kind of like a trap. So you have this chemical that you have in here. It's really easy to set up. You just basically put it on this little floater and it floats into water. So you actually put water in here. You fill this up with water. You put the chemical in there, the chemical floats on top, and then you put this on there. This keeps basically, you know, animals and pets and stuff like that from getting into it. But what it allows is the mosquitoes to get in there. And what the chemical is the chemicals, there's two parts. First part will actually kill mosquito, but it'll kill it slowly. So it'll allow the mosquito to come in here, lay its eggs, which it wants to do because it's water. The chemical in there will stop the eggs from growing, okay? So that's the one thing. And then the next thing it'll do, that chemical will get on the actual mosquito and the mosquito will fly somewhere else. So it doesn't kill it right away. It allows the mosquito to leave, taking that chemical that stops the eggs from growing with it. So when it goes somewhere else, maybe to lay its eggs or to another nest, it'll spread that there as well. And what that does is that then takes care of those mosquito larvae as well. So it's basically, what it does is it stops the breeding cycle. It disturbs the breeding cycle. So it's not something where you put out, if you're having a party this weekend, you're going to want to put it out and it's going to be like, oh, you're not going to be sweet. No, this is something you have to put out and you got to wait a few weeks for it to work. I would actually use this as a secondary. I would fog the backyard, but I would also keep this out there because you can just leave this out there for, you know, for 30 days. That's how long it lasts. And then you're just refilling it. So during that season, I would have this out there the entire time. I would still fog my backyard for mosquitoes, but then I would have this just kind of out there as like a maintenance thing. So these things are awesome, made by Ortho. I really think everybody's going to have these in their yards in no time.